Hi there, I'm Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a somewhat boring task, but a task that I feel is kind of necessary. It is sorting out my fabric stash. So I have 3 boxes here and a pile of fabric. It might not seem like a lot, but it's a lot of small pieces. So a lot of fabric remnants, fabric scraps, I guess you can call them. Smaller pieces that I've used that were once large and I've used for other projects, and they're just kind of like the leftover bits that I have. Some pieces are relatively new, things that I haven't touched before. They're more the larger pieces, but my whole aim here, like, doesn't matter what size the pieces are, I would like to color coordinate everything so that I can see what fabric I've got, how much of one color I have, and I'm hoping that it might help me plan my patchwork projects in the future a little bit better. Hoping that it'll help me maybe feel more inspired to put together something. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I will just kind of make it up as I go along. I think I'm just going to start sorting. I might have some kind of idea in the middle of it, and I'll pause, have a bit of a chit chat with you, and I'll show you how it all turns out in the end. So, wish me luck. So I have completed one box, which is this one, and so far so good. I think I am getting on track. I have mostly blues at this point, so we'll see how that evolves. I have 2 more boxes to go through, but these are my piles so far. So I've got my blues here. Anything that has mostly blue on it, I'm putting in this. There was this one, but with the orange on it, I felt like it should be in the multicolour pile. So we have rainbow, black and whites. We have blues, greys, yellows, oranges, purples, greens. I put the pineapples in here because I felt like it was more green than yellow, but it could also go in the multicolour pile. Same with this, it's a bit hard. I mean, there's green here, but yeah, it is more pink. Maybe, yeah, I think it needs to go in the multicolour. So I do have a lot of fabrics that are like that. This is a pink pile. Reds, beiges. These are like my calico kind of scraps that I use for lining and things. And then I have my special fabrics here, which are more like costume fabrics. I think I'll just keep together. Now I have 2 boxes to go through. I have this one and I have this one. And this one has been mixed with tiny scraps. So there's tiny scraps, but then there's also larger pieces. So I feel like once I get through this, I might make this box my tiny scrap box. And I'll fold up the rest and make folded piles for everything else. Let's just keep going. I mean, I've got some work to do. So I've sorted out this cupboard. It ended up going from sorting out my fabric alone to sorting out most of the cupboard. So I did have to shuffle a few things around again just to make some room for the boxes that used to have a lot of fabric in there. There's still fabric in there, but I've just changed what I had in the boxes. So I needed to make sure that everything would fit. Basically, the top part is like craft supplies, like paints and different things. Also my filing, personal filing stuff. So that's what's up there. And then it goes down to the fabric. So I did have to kind of stack some colours on top of each other because it was a waste of space just having one section for just purples when I don't really have a lot of purple. So I did stack a few colours, but I still feel very organised with this. Down here I've got a box of bigger fabric that I don't really use that much, but I still want it to be easy to access. Then I've got all my blues and the multicoloured fabrics here, which is most of my stash. Down here I have some fabrics that I'd like to make clothes out of. So these are newer fabrics, so I've put them in a place that I can see them so that hopefully I use them. And I've got a box of tablecloths here that I didn't open up because it's kind of organised already, but I've just put one new tablecloth that I've had that I've been given recently, and the other one here because they're just large and they're not going to fit in that container anyway. Down below I have more fabric in this box, but this is fabric that I don't really use that often. Again, it seemed quite organised anyway. I have some denim that I'm going to upcycle soon, and a little bag of some things that I've already made that are listed in my Etsy shop at the moment. This is also half of my Etsy shop. Then I also have, what's the dollhouse that I recently made? I'll make a video on that soon. These are just some little doilies and some stitching projects that I started recently, hoping to make something out of those. So I've put them in a place that I can see as well. So yeah, I think it's feeling a lot better. Here we have like my patterns at the back. I keep all my patterns in this bag here in little sleeves. Then I have 2 cushion inserts because I want to make a couple of cushions for the house. So those are in here until I find time to do that. This is just a bag of fabric scraps at the moment. I'm thinking to use it as wadding for maybe like some projects and things. And then in here I've just got random fabric supplies and also like wrapping paper for my Etsy shop, and some fabric paint and wool and different things in there. It's pretty organised, so I'm happy with that. The main thing that I wanted to do today was just sort out all my fabric, know what I have. I do have a box filled with scraps, so I'll show you that. This is the box that has the tiny little scraps in there. So I'm hoping to sew these together and make projects in the future. I really, really want to try my best this year to just use what I have and minimise the waste. I don't want to be throwing these things out, and a lot of them are large enough to be made into other projects. So yeah, that's what that box is going to be for. So let's see how my new system works. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was somewhat satisfying. I know I am feeling very satisfied with the color coordinating piles. I'm feeling really good about that. If you like this video, then feel free to subscribe, share it with a crafty friend, like, comment, let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you would organize your fabric stash. I'd love to know. I'm always open to new ideas. For now, I'm hoping that color coordinated piles of fabric will get me motivated to make more patchwork items that go together and that look very unique. So stay tuned for that. I will share some behind the scenes projects soon and let you know what I actually do with all of this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.